Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use payment getaways on Instamojo in 2025 with a full step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign into your Instamojo dashboard and complete your business KYC. Step 2. Go to Settings and then Payments to see available getaways options like UPI, net banking, credit or debit cards, and wallets. Step 3. Click on Enable beside the payment option you want. If you have an external gateway like Razorpay, you can also add custom API credentials. Step 4. For product-based stores, go to Online Store, then Products, and check the payment settings are applied per product. Step 5. You can also create payment links for single or bulk transactions and share them via email or WhatsApp. Step 6. Use the Analytics tab to monitor payment success rates and settlement summaries. Step 7. If you are a developer, go to the API and plugins section and follow the integration docs to embed gateways on your own website. With Instamojo, even beginners can start accepting payments online in just minutes. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.